How does it feel hitting something as hard as you can with a hammer? That's how hot it is. And little hits like that. Keep going. Has anyone here ever made anything with fire and steel? All right, when you guys are hammering, don't try to follow the hammer down to what you're hitting. Just look at what you want to hit and hit it. It's like throwing a baseball, throwing a punch. Now back, go again. Go 2 or 3 times. Cool, there you go. Now I'm gonna put this back in the fire so someone else can hit it. It's just little hits over time. You can start getting what you want.
George teaches the metal forging portion of Summer Brave Academy. He spent a little over 20 years in the Navy, where he ended his career in Hawaii. That's where he picked up metal forging and now owns his own bladesmithing company, where he makes custom knives, axes, and things of the sort.
Cool, put it back in the fire. We'll separate one piece back, hit and make the little pokey part, and then the little hook that you see on fireplace pokers.
For the forging portion, the girls are working on a metal fire poker. So that is going to help them with the foundational skill set of hot forging. So they're gonna learn how to swing a hammer. They're gonna learn the difference between red hot, orange hot. They'll know how to read the metal with this.
Here's the rebar, right? You're gonna place this here on it like that. And then you're gonna hit this down into it.
Okay.
Long ways, and so it splits the steel.
Okay.
Keep hitting it. I hit it hard. 5, 6, 7. Number 9. Give me 9 hard. There you go. That was good. Cool. Also, you started to slide down, so your glove touched that, and that's how hot that was. So if you look on that part of your glove, that's why this PPE is important. Like, really important. That's a good lesson right there.
I'm fortunate in my life to have done a lot of things wrong. You can't be afraid of failure. You have to be able to just get in there and know that you can work with it however it comes out. So that's the way metal goes. Your hammer blow is not gonna be perfect every time. When the metal squeezes one way or moves one way, you have to know that you've stretched it here, so now I either have to shrink it here or I have to stretch it over here. So it's very similar to life. When I made my schedule for the day, I woke up late, and this was the result. The second and third effects to every decision not only work in everyday life, but they work in any form of fabrication.
Let's see if, oh. So that's a little dead piece now. All right, so we're gonna work on fixing this one, but don't worry about it. We'll put it back in there and we'll hit it flat.
You never know what kind of skills you have until you try them. If you have the opportunity, get after it.
Hold.
If it's something that you really take to and you enjoy, that is just giving you a whole new trajectory in your life with things that you can do. And it doesn't mean this is your new career path. This means this can be something that you set up in your garage, and when you're having a bad day, you just go and forget about everything, because you have to be present in what you're doing. Now, your purpose is getting rid of all the other noise around you and just be present with this metal. Let those sounds and things just go away for a little while, and now you can make something that either you're just proud of and you want to hang on the wall, or take it to a farmer's market and start something where you can start making a little side income for yourself, because the world's not getting any cheaper right now.
That's another thing, when you're making stuff and you do blue collar work, you gotta pick something everybody kind of has. Like if I made trucks, not everybody's gonna buy a truck. But if I became the transmission guy, everybody's vehicle has a transmission. Everyone's gonna need business. Man, you learn stuff when you go to school, apparently.
It's so important for kids to learn this, because
Good job.
we can take them off their phone and give them something tangible, something to do with their hands that they're still able to be proud of. And it gets them out of the house, gets them with people, and it teaches them real world skills that can help themselves for the rest of their lives.
So now you guys have bent steel with a hammer. You've set stuff on fire, hit it with a hammer, not hurt yourselves. And now you've heated up steel and you've cut it using a hammer with your bare strength. Like There's no machines, there's no hydraulic pull down, there's no ratios. It's my arm, my hands, I'm holding this and it's a pain in the butt. I'm holding this and it's a pain. This is kind of a little excruciating, and I did it, and you went through. And you feel good because you accomplished the step that was trying to stop you, right? That's how every day should be, because then at the end of the day, you're just like, I did stuff, I'm cool, I'm a rad human. There you go.